Female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Na diva is a female version of a hustler, of a hustler, of a hustler. Stop the track. Let me stay.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this week I'm bringing you another natural hair video, and it is the sleek back bun. So I really wanted to just show you how I do my really slick buns with a nice little swoop, some little edges laid, nothing crazy, nothing fancy. And it's just how I'll be wearing my hair throughout the week. I did not shampoo and condition my hair this week. So what I did was I did go through with my apple cider vinegar and water and just a cream and a oil of my choice, just a couple of different product lines that I had that were extras. I wanted to go ahead and use those, so I did do that when I did my detangling method, just to make sure my hair was really detangled. That is my number one key to having a really sleek bun, whether it's up or down, is to make sure my hair is detangled so that I can get it as slick as possible. So that's what I did. And as you can see here, I went ahead and started with the very back edges, the very back areas of my hair, and went ahead and started brushing it. Go ahead and brush it in the direction that it'll be laying, applying my gel, and I'm just using the Eco Style gel, just one of my gels. You can use any gel of your choice, and just brushing that back, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in a ponytail, and so that it can start to hold its form and, you know, stay real sleek back there. And then I'm gonna make my way forward, do the middle section, get that all brushed and gel back, add it to the ponytail in the back, and then I'll get my front edges laid the way I want them and just add that all into one ponytail. So that's been the best way for me, making sure that my ponytails is as flat as possible, really sleek. And you'll see at the end of the video, my hair is kind of wavy, and it's because of the gel that I used. I really didn't have a really good edge control. I'm out of my 24-hour and my 48-hour edge control, so I was using just the Eco Style gel, but I didn't really have anything that would give me a hard hold. So my hair is laid, but you'll see it's a little wavy. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all finish watching until we get caught up, and I'll come back. so here we are, pretty caught up. I'm just pulling all my hair to a ponytail in the back, and when I get to that third loop, I'm just gonna bring it out a little bit, but try to keep my edges tucked. That way I got a cute little bun back there. You can take some bobby pins and kind of pin it up differently or higher if you like. So what I'm gonna do here is kind of fix my swoop. Because I like my ponytails really tight, it always usually kind of messes up my swoop, but that's okay. I just dip my brush in some gel, and I'm just gonna finish laying that the way I want it to look, and just take my time on making sure it's laid right, and do my little baby edges on the other side, because I am going to wrap this up for the night, tie it down, and then in the morning I'll show you all what it looks like after it's been tied down all night. And even the next morning I'll still go through and maybe wet it a little bit, take a little more gel or edge control, and kind of fix it a little bit where I've maybe tied my hairband too tight or my little hair scarf too tight. But other than that, most of the work is done, and you all will see the finished product here in just a minute. Alright, you guys, so let's take this off and see what my hair looks like. Alright, you all, so this wraps it up for this video. I hope you all like this video. I hope you like this style. Don't forget to go hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and like and comment. Bye.